Hi, so let's review another film today, okay? Today I'm reviewing The Trade by Jade Oshibaru. Now, Jade is one person I respect a lot in the industry. I think she's done excellently well for us, so I pay attention to her movies, okay? Collision Course, Brotherhood. Now she's got Gangs of Lagos coming out soon on Prime. But you know, Jade is an intelligent filmmaker. Now, when I saw The Trade, it was obviously the story of Evans the kidnapper. Okay, it's a real life story. I think the guy's been sentenced now. Man was known for kidnapping billionaires when he was apprehended in his Magodo home in Lagos. Now, this particular film, The Trade, is some sort of cover, to depict the life of this individual. And the character was played by Chukwujekwu, amazing actor. Okay, now The Trade is a film that has been, it was executed with great care. Now, and he paid attention to every detail. Now, the plot of the movie was well thought out and adequately developed without being overly ambitious. Unlike some Nollywood actors, filmmakers, they want to put everything in the movie thereby spoiling the movie. Now, this film was shot in a relatable manner, which makes it easy for viewers to connect with the story. Now, bearing in mind the fact that we already know the story, but now we can connect with the story to understand more about this person and why he started doing what he's doing or what he was doing. Now, that thing that sets The Trade apart from other films is its emphasis on character development and progression, and plot progression, right? Now, we watch movies and we don't get to see any development on the characters themselves. Okay, we just see them move from one person to another person. This movie tried as much as possible to pay attention to the major characters in this film, giving us some sort of background, okay, to their characters, so we understand fully who this person is, what this person's mission is, and if this person did accomplish what he or she was supposed to accomplish, right? Now, and rather than relying on action scenes to just keep audience engaged, this one was well thought out. Now, this approach of character development for me allows the movie to retain its soul and makes the viewers more interested in the story. Okay, now there's some authenticity about this movie that makes the movie more enjoyable to watch, and it also helps it stand out from other films in the same genre. It's not your regular film. It sounds maybe like a biopic, you can say that, but it's a well thought out, well executed movie. And however, there's no perfect film, right? Now, there's some areas where The Trade falls short. I'm sorry, I don't exactly watch to look for bad things or bad reviews or bad lines, but these things come up, right? And we talk about it. Not to discredit the work of this filmmaker, not to say that they didn't do a good work, but just to say what we think, right? Now, this is it. The pace of this particular film can be slow at times, right? And it can be frustrating to some viewers. And additionally, a significant portion of the dialogue is delivered in Igbo. So for those who are not Igbo might find it difficult to understand, and the subtitles don't exactly do justice, to making us understand what they were trying to say, right? When you fail with the subtitles, it can lead to important information being lost or misunderstood, and which can in some type of way detract from the overall performance or experience of watching the film, right? Now, despite these shortcomings, The Trade remains an interesting and captivating movie. It is it is worth your time, worth your money. So if you haven't seen it, go check it out on Prime. Blossom did an amazing job, amazing acting by the way. And of course, shout out again to Jade Oshibaru for that particular piece. Well delivered. God bless you for making Nollywood good.